Hi guys, today I'll be sharing with you 10 common idioms. This is part 3, so be sure to also watch part 1 and 2 if you haven't already. What is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a different meaning from the literal meaning. Number 1. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means to not judge something by its initial appearance. An example is, that may look very small, but don't judge a book by its cover. Number 2. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It means to not count on something happening until after it's already happened. An example is, don't be so sure of it. Make sure not to count your chickens before they hatch. Number 3. Costs an arm and a leg. It means that something is overpriced or very expensive. An example is, that costs an arm and a leg. Number 4. Going on a wild goose chase. It means doing something that is pointless. An example is, I've been on a wild goose chase all day searching for something I had. Number 5. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. It means accomplishing 2 different tasks at the same time. An example is, I dropped my kids to school while going to work, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 6. Pull someone's leg. It means to joke with someone. An example is, I panicked when he said the test was tomorrow, but then I realized he was just pulling my leg. Number 7. That's the last straw. It means that my patience has run out. An example is, this is your last straw. Don't make any more trouble. Number 8. You can say that again. It means, I agree or that's true. An example is, this weather has been horrible. You can say that again. Number 9. Comparing apples to oranges. It means comparing 2 things that can't be compared. An example is, to compare Italian food with Mexican food is to compare apples with oranges. Number 10. Don't cry over spilt milk. It means that there's no reason to complain about something that can't be fixed. An example is, I know you didn't mean to break it, so there's no use in crying over spilt milk. Which idiom do you use the most? Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!